Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best wireless tattoo machine. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Stigma. CNC tattoo pen machine is carved by aircraft aluminum alloy enclosure. 35mm aluminum alloy sleeve. Rotary pen tattoo machine with Japan motor, strong power, super stable, pretty quiet, low noise. It is quite easy to master. Professional shader machine. Shader and solid color work efficiently, avoid repeated coloring and cause skin damage. The power supply provides quick and accurate voltage adjustments. Improve machine work stability and efficiency from the power supply. The speed and frequency belong to the middle level. Suitable for most people's operating speed. Stable and reliable work. 20 PCS tattoo sterilized and individually packaged. Better ink flow and damp. Shaped on the inside. Support wired power supply. Support battery power supply. Flexible and lightweight for every style. CNC tattoo pen is designed to give you the closest feeling to the actual pen. This machine features a powerful motor and exquisite appearance. Number 4. Brand name, Mast. Mast Tattoo aims to provide state-of-the-art equipment that not only pushes the limits of tattoo machine technology, but pushes the limits of your art. Mast Flip Rotary Tattoo Pen Machine is known for its high-precise geometric build, designed for comfortable, clean, and efficient tattooing. The Mast Flip machine is perfect for artists who prefer the accuracy and control of pen-style rotary machines as well as the benefits of an easily adjustable stroke length. The ergonomically design helps to reduce hand fatigue during procedures. Tattoo artists can enjoy up to 6 stroke length options for a wide variety of tattooing, including lining, color packing, shading and more. Number 3. Brand name, Mast. Coil machine and motor machine mode can be used. Easy to control 2 types of tattoo machine. 2 kinds of work mode selection. First, the pedal when the pedal control switch. When the pedal is not connected, press the voltage control knob down to control the switch. Can work without pedal, saving time and effort. Perfect for permanent makeup work. Stable and durable, long hours of work does not heat, to ensure a steady stream of power output. Needles made of 316 grade stainless steel. Compatible with all popular pen machine and cartridges. Grips high toughness silicone rebound maintains its original flexibility and strength with long time work. Number 2. Brand name, John M. This machine features a powerful motor and an advanced gear system that guarantees reliable, quiet operation without any vibration. The working life is twice longer than ordinary permanent makeup machines. Rotary pen tattoo machine, continuous operation, low noise, long-lasting stability, lightweight, unibody. Tour tattoo machine has an innovation special mechanism. Special mechanism makes a good direct hit together with enough softness. This machine has custom mast cordless motor, working at least 3,000 hours. This rotary tattoo machine simple, classic and the most suitable machine for precise line work, black and gray shading, solid color packing. Gives a possibility to pack faster, more quality and less trauma. Perfect tool for tattoo artists. Number 1. Brand name, XNET. XNET rotary tattoo machine made of aluminum alloy by Precision CNC technology. Easy to disassemble, easy to maintain and replace parts. High speed, low noise and working stable, low energy consumption but more power, No hot for long time working. Customized premium cordless motor. This tattoo battery machine advanced direct drive system which is smooth, precise, soft, and quiet operation. Flexible for every style, gently and smoothly transfers ink to skin. Built-in jump start function, can push all major brand tattoo cartridge needles. Stable voltage and low noise gives satisfied experience to you and your clients.